This tutorial is on how to export and import documents onto the system. So look at your left bar and go to Documents. And you can search for any files that you want to export from here, the search bar right here. Let's use this one as an example. So right here it says export. So click that and you can download it as a PDF or any of these other formats and click convert and save. And then if you want to import documents, depending on which directory you want to import them into, let's say that you want to add one to management, so go to Files and click Import. And then from your computer you can click any file that you want to import into this directory.